Hello everyone, it's Miss Amy and I'm going to give you some guidance on how to put together your adorable Stuff-A-Pup. In your kit you have your pup, a bag of stuffing, a little heart, a white bandana, and your pup's very own library card. First, you're going to find the opening in your pup's belly and start putting the stuffing in. It's best to start with the limbs. So we're going to find the opening, put our stuffing in, and I'm going to aim for her arm right here. Now you can use your fingers to get the stuffing into her arms and legs and head, but if your fingers are kind of tiny and it's hard, you can also use the end of a wooden spoon or the end of a drumstick. If you've seen my music time videos, you know that we've got a lot of drumsticks lying around this house, and that can help you push the stuffing a little bit deeper into the limbs. So you're going to continue to work and stuff away, keep putting more stuffing into the opening, and then work on the next limb. You'll work down to the legs, and then you'll do the head, and then the last thing you're going to do is do the torso or the belly area. So keep on stuffing. Now that all the stuffing is inside your pup, you're going to give your little friend a heart so she can love you back. So pick up the heart, tuck it right here into the opening, get it right up there where her heart belongs. Now we're going to have to close this opening up. So you're going to take both ends of the string, pull them really tight like this, and then you are going to tie a double knot so it's nice and secure. So once and twice. And then I would recommend grabbing a pair of scissors and cutting the ends here. And then we're going to tuck that little knot back into the opening, but we don't want to have so much string. So we're going to cut it like that. And then we're going to tuck that little knot in just like that. All right, so that's all covered up. Now, you'll notice that you have a bandana that came in the kit. Now it's up to you if you want to decorate the bandana. Some people like to use stamps or markers or fabric paint or anything else you can find to spruce the bandana up a bit. Once you decorated it, then we're going to tie it around her neck just like this. There you go. And now for my absolute favorite part. Let's make sure she can sit up there. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to name your little pup. So here's the library card. There's a space for the name right here. And I've decided that I'm going to name my pup Daffodil. That's one of my favorite yellow spring flowers. And I'm going to give her that name. And I'm going to tuck it here under her arm. Here you go, Daffodil. Happy reading. Well, thanks for watching, everyone, and enjoy your new little furry friend.